Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to check your login activity on Snapchat. So let me show you the steps to do that. So don't skip the video so you don't miss any step. Here, the step 1 is open up the Snapchat app on your smartphone and tap on the profile icon. And then once you are there, now just tap on the settings icon on the top right and scroll the button of the list. And there you will find the option of my data. Let me zoom you out for this. So this is the my data option. And now click on my data and enter your login credentials to log into your account once again. So once you're in this my data section, next you can see all the types of data available for download. Here you will observe Snapchat is also giving you your login history with device information and device history also. So you have to now go to the button and click on submit request. And once submitted, you will get a confirmation message that Snapchat is preparing a copy of your data and it will be sent to you on your registered mail ID. So yeah, by that, when you once get that email with all of your data, you can just get your login activity on of Snapchat account. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.